Hello, my name is John Gleason, and this is my final sales project. And the company I will be representing is Mason Doors, a door building company that provides everything from high quality interior to very low quality exterior, such as $40 doors all the way up to $2,000 doors. Okay. So my first spin question for situation is, what current vendor are you using for your door supplies, and what kinds of doors are you buying? Some example responses that I would get would be like, for example, Lowe's or Home Depot, just a general buyer. Some other big companies that might not be well known, or Jellwood, things like that. And then, for example, when they say we buy certain doors, they would say we buy steel doors or we buy interior doors. So that kind of tells me what I need to know about their company, what they're getting, and who they're getting it from, so I can see who I'm competing against. So then I would go into my problem question. I would say, are you happy with your price? The quality of what you're getting? Are you happy with how long it takes for that product to come in? And some examples to that might be like, no, our price is too high, or our quality is bad, or yeah, maybe the price is fine, but it never comes in on time. So these are all things that I can capitalize on, tell them that I'm going to do a better job. The next spin question would be implication. It's basically just pushing that problem, showing them that it really is a problem. So I would say something along the lines of, when things you pay too much, and then doors come in late, and when doors are poor quality, how do you handle that situation? And a lot of times they're going to be like, well, unfortunately, we just have to deal with it, which is not commandeering for any company. That's not something they should be having to deal with. And the last thing I would be asking is the need of the payoff. So it would be, would it help if you were able to get lower prices as well as guarantee better quality and your products arriving on time? And most 99% of the time, people are going to want that. So this kind of allows me to capitalize on, hey, well, we provide all those services. We provide the good price, we provide lower prices, we provide good quality, and we provide guarantees of it arriving on time. So Mason Doors, this is basically the company that I'm working for. It was built in 1920s. It's a huge company. It has $2.6 billion in revenue, or it's worth $2.6 billion. They have over 300 wholesale customers and over 3,000 retail customers. They provide interior exterior doors for general contractors, door slabs to be used to make custom doors. And the thing that makes them different is that they are one of the biggest, most well-known names in the door market. So it allows them to have that edge over everyone else. So problems that I learned throughout the discovery questions is learn that we have a lot of plants that aren't functioning, or maybe are functioning at half the rate of our own personal plants. So this is something that we can capitalize on when we're talking to competitors. So a lot of these plants are very differently operated. Some of them are operating with machinery that's almost 100 years old. Some of them are brand new. So, you want to reiterate this to the customer that, hey, listen, all these people, they're using old plants or new plants. So it's not guaranteeing you good or bad quality, or that it'll come in on time, or that some plants are going to have more stress than others. So that may affect quality and timing. Well, all of our plants are going to stay the same. They're all going to be the same quality, same timing, same everything. The solution is that we have the most up-to-date services. We have the most up-to-date pricing. We have local pricing. So it means, depending on your area, you get pricing based on where you live and what economic situation you're in. So it depends maybe on the price of lumber. If the price of lumber is cheaper in your area, you're going to get a cheaper door compared to all these other people that have a flat one-line price. So for pricing, again, like I just said, we do custom pricing. It's all custom to your business, and you get specialty pricing based on how many you're buying, what size of your business you are, what you're buying. So all these things can add up, but at the end of the day, it's all things that are going to benefit the consumer. timeline of when you get your deliveries, depending on the door slab. So more custom doors, exterior doors, heavier doors, wood doors, things like that, them normally going to take 4 to 8 weeks, which is a very standard time compared to our competitors who are taking sometimes 8 to 10 weeks or 2 months or 3 months, we are guaranteeing it within those 4 to 8 weeks. And then on the interior door side, which are much more common doors, we're going to guarantee anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks. After reviewing all the benefits that come with Mason doors, we can very well see that it's very worth the price that they're going to be paying, and that the customer backing allows us to prove what we're saying here, that with all the customers we have, we can prove what we're saying. Some objection questions that we may face is you need to make sure your product has good quality, like you say it does. So for me, I would say, we first of all, you can do your research. You can look into our door company. We have very good quality. We have 5 out of 5 stars on almost everything. As well as, go to your local retail store. We're carried by all major retailers in the country, so you can always look at that. And if you need a sample door, we can send you that. This is something that I can very easily get around. Another big objection question are these people that are doing major contracting, major companies. If they're with somebody, they're gonna ask, "Hey, I'm loyal to somebody already. I don't know if I want to move from him." And basically, I have to make it seem as though it's going to be as seamless and as painless as possible to move from them to us. That it's going to cost them less money at the end of the day. I have to hammer home the fact that I can say, "Hey, listen, we are cheaper, we are better quality, we are better timing, and these are all things for reasons that you should really move." And the last one and the biggest one is, if our price is higher, maybe our price is a little bit higher, and I can basically tell them, "Hey, listen, you're buying for the name. We are one of the most well-known door companies in the world. We provide the best quality, the best timing, and we believe the best prices for what you're getting." So, we can always use our backing for that. If they still have a problem with it after that, we can also talk about discounts, deals, things that we do on the side, depending on what your business would look like. That is my final project. Thank you so much. Again, my name is John Gleason, and have a great day.